Good morning, children. Today is Tuesday. Today is 15th September 2020. Children, now let's practice the rhyme once again. Zebra at the zoo. Now repeat after me. Zebra, zebra at the zoo. Are you trying to alarm us? You look just like a rocking horse, dressed up in striped pajamas. Once again. Zebra, zebra at the zoo. Are you trying to alarm us? You look just like a rocking horse, dressed up in striped pajamas. Children, practice this rhyme. Children, now please take your general awareness book, book number 4. General awareness book, book number 4. Book number 4. Open page number 53. 53. Page number 53. Animal world. Name the animals. Children, here you can see few pictures of animals and a list of names is given here. Yes? Now, your task is you have to identify the animal and you have to check for the name in the list and you have to write here. Okay? Now, let us do it. I will show you how you should identify. Now, tell me what is this? Elephant. Very good. Come on, repeat once again and concentrate. Elephant. Elephant. A. A. A is the sound of which letter? E. A. Very good. Now, in the list, you have to check where is the beginning letter E. Come on, check. Is it E-A? No. Is it E-A? No. Is it E-A? Yes. But wait. You have to check is any other name beginning with E. Then you have to come to the final answer. So let us check. Is beginning letter E? No. So no other name is having beginning letter with E. So definitely your answer will be this one. Okay? E-A, elephant. Now you have to write it here. Okay? So this is how you have to write. Elephant. Okay? Now next one. Owl. What is this? Owl. O. O. Which letters sound? O. 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 Now let us check for the beginning letter O. 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 Okay? Now, here it is. Okay? O. O. Owl. O. W. L. Owl. Please write. O. W. L. Owl. Now, what is this? Crocodile. Very good. K. Beginning letter K. K. K means very good. See K. Come on, let us check for the beginning letter. Where is C K? You have to try with your phonic sounds. Yes, here it is. Look. Crocodile. Okay. Now please write here. Crocodile. Crocodile. Isle. Okay. Now what is this? Giraffe. Okay. G. Okay. See here it is G. Children, here little confusing. It is not the sound of G is G, but in English we have few words which does not follow phonic rules. Okay, so when coming to giraffe, it doesn't follow phonic rule for the beginning letter. So now it is easily understood for you that giraffe, G, but the letter is being pronounced here G. Okay, so you can identify giraffe. Come on, write G ra f f. Okay, giraffe. Yes. Now the next one, this is hippo. Hippo, h. Which letter? H. Very good. Hippo. Hippo. Po. P-O. Hippo. Now next, what is this? Tiger. Very good. T. Come on, check for the beginning letter. T. Here it is. T. Tiger. Okay. Now let us write. Tiger. Tiger. Yes. Now next. Zebra. Z. Beginning letter Z means Z. Look here. Zebra. Okay. Now let us write. Zebra. Zebra. Now, what is this? Lion. Very good. L. Yes, here it is. Lion. Lion. I hope you all learnt the spellings of animals. Yes? So, I think it would be easy for you to write. Okay, children? So, this is how you have to practice writing animal names. Now, children, next take your literacy skills book. Book number 1. Literacy skills book. Book number 1. Open page number 55. 55. Page number 55. Children, yesterday you learnt about articles a and an. Okay, so here few pictures are given. You should identify where you have to write a and where you should write an. So the first rule I told you is for vowels. Okay, if a word starts with vowels, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O and U. Okay, so the very simple and easy rule for you to remember is, if a word begins with any of these vowels, you have to write an before the word. Okay, if it is beginning with a consonant, then you have to write a. So let us start writing. You will understand. Now children, identify the picture. What is this? Orange. Very good. Now O. What is the beginning letter here? It is O. And O is a vowel. Yes, O is a vowel. So when the word is starting with vowel, you have to write an orange. How you'll pronounce? An orange. Very good. Now what is this? Ball. Very good. So what is the beginning letter here? B. 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 So is B in the list of vowels? No. So when it is not a vowel, it will be a consonant. So when it is beginning with the consonant, you have to write a. A ball. What you will say? It is a ball. It is a ball. Okay? Now coming to the next one. What is this? Cow. Okay? K. What is the beginning letter here? C. K. So C is a consonant. If it is beginning with the consonant, you will write a cow. Okay? You will write a. It is a cow. Now the next one. What is this? Bun. Very good. B. 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 B is a consonant. So what you will write if it is a consonant before the word? A. Very good. So this is a bun. This is a bun. Okay? Now the next one. What is this? Elephant. Yes. E. 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 So come on, check. E is a vowel. So when it is a vowel, what you should write? An. An elephant. An elephant. Okay? Now the next one. Umbrella. U is a vowel. So what you will write here? An. Very good. An umbrella. An umbrella. Now next one. Carrot. K. C. K. C. K is a consonant. So what you will write? A carrot. This is a carrot. Okay? Now the next one. What is this? Mug. M. M is a consonant. So what you will write? A mug. Now the next one. Axe. What is this? Axe. This is an axe. An. Why? Because A is a vowel. What you will write here? An. Okay? An axe. Now the next one. This is engine. E-A. Engine. E is a vowel. So by now you should understand, if the word is starting with vowel, you should write an engine. An. Before the word you should write an. Now the next one, this is bus. Okay? So if it is a consonant, B is a consonant, what you will say? This is a bus. A bus. Okay? Now the next one, bed. B is a consonant. So whenever you're trying to write sentence or whenever you're reading sentence, so these articles are used before the words. Okay? So bed. When you're reading a sentence, this is bed, not this is bed. You should say this is a bed. Okay? So this is how you will use articles a and an. Practice articles a and an. 10. Children, now please take your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Numeracy skills book, book number 3. Book number 3. Open page number 59. 5, 9, 59. Page number 59. Children, here you have to count and write, and you should also write the correct sign. Okay, this is greater than and this is less than. Please be perfect with the symbols. Okay, see, this is greater than. Please repeat, greater than. And this one is less than. Repeat, less than. Okay, so here your task is you have to count and write the number, and then you have to write the symbol. Okay, I mean you have to write the sign which is correct. Okay, so the first two are done for you. I will explain. Now tell me how many horses are here. Please count 1 and 2. So 2 is written here. And next, how many here? Only 1. So 1 is written here. So what is the sign here? Greater than. I told you crocodile mouth always open to the greater number. So what does this mean? 2 is greater than 1. Repeat. 2 is greater than 1. Okay? Now the next one. Count the erasers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 is written here. Now next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 is written here. Now what does this statement means? 3 is less than 4. Repeat. 3 is less than 4. Here you are telling that number 3 is less. Okay, less than number 4. So we'll do the next one. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now write number 5 in the box. Okay. Next, you should count here also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write number 4. Okay. Now which is greater number? Which is greater number? 5. Very good. So crocodile mouth will be open to the greater number. Okay. So 5 is greater than 4. Okay. Now the next one. Come on, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many bricks? 8. Okay, now let us write the number here. Now next count the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now write number 4 here. Yes? Now, which is the greater number? Yes, 8. So, which is the sign you will write? Greater than. Crocodile mouth open. Open to the greater number. Now, what does it mean? 8 is greater than 4. Repeat. 8 is greater than 4. Good. Now the next one. Let us count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now write number 5 in the box. Now next, 1, 2. So which sign we should write here? Greater than. Okay, because what are you trying to tell here? Number 5 is greater than number 2. 5 is greater than 2. Now the next one, let us count the mobiles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write number 6. Now next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write number 8. Okay. Now, is 6 bigger or smaller than 8? So, 6 is less than. Okay. What you should write the sign here now? It should be this side. Okay. 6 is less than 8. Okay, children. So, one rule you should remember is crocodile mouth always open to the greater number. Okay, crocodile mouth always open to the greater number. So this is how you have to practice greater than and less than. Let us start the rhyme. There are many things I can do all by myself. I can comb my hair and lace my shoe all by myself. I can wash my hands and wash my face all by myself. I can put my toys and block in place all by myself. Please practice this rhyme. Now next, open page number 10. Page number 10. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Now let us start the rhyme. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face, so early in the morning. This is the way we get dressed up, get dressed up, get dressed up. This is the way we get dressed up, so early in the morning. Children, please practice these two rhymes. Okay, daily you will get time. Okay, so daily once go through this video and practice these two rhymes. Okay. Children, now next take your Hindi textbook. Hindi textbook. Open page number 13. 1, 3, 13. 13. Children, now practice picture reading. Repeat after me. J se jad. J se jad. J se जहाज. J से जहाज. J से जनता. J से जनता. Children, take your Hindi notebook and please practice writing letter J. Children, Now take your sight words chart and repeat after me. You, your, in, out, about, I, my, a, an, at, is, and, do, go, to, of, the, are, me, we, on, or, see, look, with, was, he, she, this, that, like, can, they, went. Today's two new words. H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. H-A-D, had. H-A-D, had. Children, practice all the sight words. Bye children. Take care.